Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling Crown Haptics on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you enable Crown Haptics, the watch will give haptic feedback when you turn the digital crown. This feels like a gentle vibration and makes scrolling feel more tactile. Follow the steps to turn this setting on or off. Press the digital crown to open the app menu, then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down settings and tap sounds and haptics. Scroll down to Crown Haptics and tap the toggle to the right of it to enable or disable the setting. When the toggle is green, Crown Haptics are enabled, and when grey, the setting is switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.